Hello and welcome to my video of Dishoom, the award-winning restaurant. I will be reviewing various items from their menu. Keep watching until the end to find out how much we spent. This branch of Dishoom is situated in Canary Wharf, London, a city within a city, surrounded by the waters of River Thames. Synonymous to 70s Bombay nostalgia, Dishoom see this as their finest restaurant yet. This Indian restaurant provides the perfect interior for your Indian food from a tastefully created menu. First up, okra fries, priced at £6.50. Next, we have from the kids menu Murg Malai, priced at £9.50. We then had chili chicken, priced at £8.70. This is their sheikh kebab dish, priced at £11.90. The next dish, which was my favourite and the most expensive, chicken biryani, priced at £15.50. And finally we had dessert, chocolate pudding, priced at £8.90. Our drinks came to £11.20, and there's also an optional service charge of 12.5%, which is shared between the team. So what was our total bill? £81.23. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Don't forget to watch my other videos to see how much I spent eating out, my holiday vlogs, and me attempting to cook healthy, quick and easy recipes. Be sure to like and subscribe.